There are many new notable technological developments in the world. The world is now budding with concepts that might transform the environment in which we live. We are currently in a hotbed of development that is fusing technology and human intelligence in a way that has never been seen before. Our future appears to be quite bright, thanks to innovations like the nuclear-powered hotel and the TSL CSOT folding screen technology. So, which are the most amazing future concepts out there? And how will they transform the world? Welcome to Future Tech Lab, and today we will have a look at the top 10 most amazing concepts of the future. 1. Hyundai Future Mobility Concept. Hyundai is promoting the future of robots alongside the metaverse at CES for the transportation industry. Even though the metaverse sounds intriguing, we'll stick with the things that move in the real world. Hyundai refers to the first of the two moving pods as a mother shuttle. It functions as a giant pod that can hold other, smaller pods and transport them to shared locations. One mobility module can accommodate what appears to be 8 pods, making it comparable to a minivan in size. Although the passengers are more comfortable in their individual pods and are not required to interact with other passengers in the same transportation module, the vehicle is still much more effective at moving large crowds of people than a bus is. 2. FlowSpace Pod. It was developed in anticipation of a greater demand for purposeful sheltering that supports solo work at the workplace. The pod's construction is intended to enclose and safeguard its occupants, resulting in a controlled workspace that promotes concentration while retaining some sense of connection to the outside world. This balance is made possible by a number of design elements, including the pod's ability to physically direct and safeguard attention, digitally create conditions for concentration, and adapt to various human work postures. An overhang physically gives the space a sense of ownership and houses directional audio. Retractable side panels also prevent peripheral visual distraction. 3. Martini 6.0. California's Servo Yachts and the UK's Shuttleworth Design have joined forces to create a series of innovative catamaran designs with a special marine stabilisation system. Although it has been established that pitching or vertical acceleration is the primary cause of seasickness, most stabilisation systems are built to primarily address roll. For more than 8 years, Servo Yachts and Shuttleworth Design have collaborated closely on the development of cutting-edge technology. They have now created the Martini 6.0, a quick 45-metre catamaran concept with an electro-pneumatic suspension system linking the superstructure to 2 dynamic hulls. It can adapt over 3.5 metres to the height and angle of the waves, effectively eliminating pitch, roll and heave. The design also reduces drag compared to conventional fins, making the vessel more effective and swifter in less than ideal circumstances. 4. TCL CSOT. TCL CSOT, a pioneer in the development of technologies and innovations in the display industry, displayed its newest products under cutting-edge technology. During the SID Display Week 2022, the company showcased its 8K 1G1D technology, smart commercial display, flexible OLED display, mini LED technology, innovative LTPS display, and some of their industry-leading advanced concept products. However, the world's first 8-inch, 360-degree, foldable AMOLED display stands out as the most notable item. It makes use of technology for stress-free hinge compensating mechanisms. The display may be folded in both directions, and a subscreen is not required. The display's unfurled resolution is 5120 by 1440 pixels. It features a 1 millisecond reaction time and configurable refresh rates. Some renderings show a quad camera and quad LED flash on the rear. When folded, it can be a convenient phone in one hand, and when unfolded, the large screen display offers the ideal gaming and video experience. 5. Nuclear-powered Sky Hotel. Have you ever imagined of boarding a nuclear-powered flying hotel? Nuclear fusion continues to power many aspects of our lives, even with the rise of green energy. But thankfully, nuclear-powered vacations have remained a largely untapped niche of the market. That is, up until now. Hashim Al-Ghali, a science communicator and video producer, has created quite a stir online with his stunning video showcasing a new sky cruise concept, originally developed by Tony Holmston, a flying hotel that can carry more than 5,000 passengers in the epitome of luxury. Passengers would be transported on regular airplanes and private aircraft that land at the Sky Hotel. They would enjoy opulent living on board, with a 360-degree viewing deck at the tail and sizable concourse with shopping centres, medical facilities, and all the typical amenities of a cruise ship at sea. The Sky Hotel's AI system can anticipate turbulence and use noise-cancelling technology to balance out the bumps so that passengers glide over the waves with ease. 6. Panther KF-51. The Panther is a revolutionary new main battle tank concept that is unrestricted by antiquated technology, making it the first of its kind. The Panther was built from the ground up, using some of the most advanced technologies to deliver the highest level of lethality on the battlefield, along with an integrated concept for survivability, and was connected by a fully digitalized NGVA data backbone to support next-generation operational capabilities and automation. The Panther has concentrated firepower for long-range strikes in multi-target environments, thanks to the Rheinmetall Future Gun System, which consists of a 130mm cannon, a fully automated ammunition handling system, and the additional armament options of the Hero 120 loitering ammunition. The Panther uses a novel, thorough, integrated and weight-optimized survivability concept. The Panther's digital architecture allows for on- and off-board survivability with active, reactive and passive protection technologies, in addition to conventional measures. 7. Air Yacht version 2. The design studio earlier this year unveiled the Air Yacht, a fresh hybrid idea that was exactly what its name implied, a super yacht for the skies to start off 2022 on a high note. Although technically speaking, the Air Yacht is a blimp that can also float, it stands out for how opulent it is. Now, the Air Yacht version 2 has a much sleeker and more futuristic looking central hull, and is bigger and faster. It has the same tri-hull configuration, using the main hull as a command deck and 2 blimps or twin hulls for propulsion and flotation. What has changed is that the flying super yacht now uses more carbon fibre and less glazing, increasing its size by an additional 19 metres, thanks to the extra length, from 150 metres to 169 metres. 8. Hill HX50. It's a gorgeous looking helicopter with perfectly balanced modern styling that screams high performance. This trifecta of value, performance and style is what has the HX50's many customers so enthused. The HX50 is the first new generation helicopter in many years. It is entirely modern in terms of technology. It will produce 400 horsepower continuously and can produce up to 500 horsepower for 30 seconds in an emergency. A large iPad in the middle is connected to the GPS and standard 2-axis autopilot systems, so you can use all of your favourite navigation apps and other applications. The user experience is largely simplified because HX50 pilots aren't expected to fly frequently. The system will display warnings in emotionally sensitive language instead of conventional chaotic lights, for instance, in order to prevent you from freaking out, whilst also outlining exactly what you might want to do next. That sounds better, right? It will also have forward and backward facing camera views and overlays that draw attention to things like power lines. 9. Mercedes Vision EQXX. With the Vision EQXX, Mercedes-Benz is establishing new benchmarks for electric range and efficiency. The prototype shows how effective, environmentally friendly, and opulent electromobility can be. This energy-saving champion can travel more than 1,000 kilometers on a single battery charge, which translates to less than 10 kilowatts of energy used for every 100 kilometers. Aerodynamics and exterior design both play a role in this. The Vision EQXX, with its lightweight design, battery advancements and new materials, shows exactly what will make an electric car a Mercedes-Benz in the future, furthering the revolution. 10. Pearl Suites. Have you ever wished that the sun didn't have to set to end your beach day? That you could simply fall asleep on the water? Pierpaolo Lazzarini of the Lazzarini Design Studio got you covered, as he has created the Pearl Suites, the cutting-edge hotel suites that can float on water. The conceptual designs are circular, UFO-like pods that float on the water's surface, as opposed to hovering in the air. Every unit is completely solar-powered, has all the same amenities as a hotel room, and generates enough energy for air conditioning, lighting, refrigeration, and other appliances. The idea aims to fill a brand new gap in the seaside hospitality market, from the top-specs flagship version of the beach clubs to simplified Pearl Suites. Beach resorts would be able to expand their room count in a matter of weeks while leaving no carbon footprint, occupying no infrastructure, and paying only a small implementation fee, thanks to the floating suites. The units can be customised, and if they are anchored together, a number of them could form a floating resort. So, which of these technologies do you anticipate the most? Which among them intrigued you the most, and why? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, if you're interested in more tech videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Goodbye! See you in the next video.